Hello, my name is Trey Brown with Cellhire, and today I'll be showing you how to connect to your Iridium GO and make a phone call. The Iridium GO is a voice and text hotspot that turns your smartphone into a satellite phone. We do not recommend the Iridium GO for data because the data speeds are about 2.4 kilobits per second, and that's really too slow to be effective. It's best used as a voice and text hub. Before powering on your Iridium GO, please make sure you are outside with a clear view of the sky. We recommend 360-degree view of the horizon whenever possible. The Iridium GO has a built-in antenna as well as a port to connect an external mag mount antenna. This is a great feature that allows you to stay connected while driving or sailing. There is also a charging port and an SOS button. In order to power on our Iridium GO, we will flip the antenna up. Flipping the antenna down will power the device off, and there is also a power button located on the side of the unit. We will start by going to the App Store and downloading the Iridium GO app and the Iridium Mail and Web app. Once these apps are downloaded, we'll navigate to the settings and turn on airplane mode. Next, we'll navigate to our Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Iridium GO network. Once connected, we'll navigate to our Iridium GO app. Here we'll be shown a login screen. Both the username and the password are guessed, all lowercase. Then we'll press submit. We can confirm that we are connected to our Iridium GO if we look at the top left of the display. We'll see a check mark next to the iPhone icon, and on the right side, we'll see a red circle showing that one device is connected. The top of the screen will also show signal strength and battery percentage. As you can see, the Iridium GO home screen offers quite a few menu items. Today, we'll be making a test phone call, so we'll press the call icon on the home screen. All satellite networks are treated as international calling destinations, so you must dial either an international exit code 011 or the plus sign to start every call, regardless of where you are in the world or which country you're calling. We recommend you always use the plus sign because it's just easier. So to get the plus sign to appear, you'll press and hold the 0 key until the plus sign appears on your screen. Next, you will enter the country code of the number you are calling. The U.S. country code is 1, and if you're dialing a U.S. number, you'll use the plus symbol followed by a 1, then the area code and the phone number. Press the green call button, your call will go out, and there you go. You've successfully placed a phone call with the Iridium GO.